lime, also called chuna. It is used in making beetle. You need a tumbler or a glass and some water. First, take the lime and pour 2 spoons in the tumbler. And then takes water and pour it into the tumbler. See, I have poured. And then take the cap of the tumbler and tight it. And then shake it well so that the lime will mix with the water. And then leave it for half to 1 hour. See, the lime has settled down and the upper water has cleaned. See, it is like salt. This means your lime water is ready.